During a cozy game night, the laughter was contagious. But suddenly, Jake felt a dreadful tickle in his nose. Just as he prepared to unleash a massive sneeze, he accidentally knocked over all the snacks on the table, causing a glorious mess. A flying popcorn and chips left everyone in stitches, but his sneeze was just the beginning. As they tried to clean up, Sarah slipped on a rogue chip and stumbled into the soda fountain, creating a soda geyser. It erupted everywhere, drenching everyone and turning the night into an unforgettable splash zone of laughter.